The more astronomers studied 3I, Atlas, the more difficult it became to predict exactly what it would do next. Every new observation refined its projected path, and while Mars was never guaranteed to be in danger, researchers recognized that even tiny changes in outgassing could alter an object's trajectory over millions of kilometers. That uncertainty alone was enough to place 3I, ATLAS under intense scrutiny. Outside the scientific community, however, the discussion took on a life of its own. Some observers pointed to unusual radar reflections and claimed they hinted at something metallic hidden beneath the object's dusty exterior. Others focused on high-resolution images showing narrow streams of gas extending from the coma, suggesting they looked less like random eruptions and more like carefully directed exhaust. Although no evidence confirmed these interpretations, the speculation spread rapidly across the internet. Then came an even more provocative idea. What if 3I, ATLAS wasn't simply passing Mars? What if it had chosen Mars? For decades, the red planet has fascinated scientists searching for signs of ancient life. Beneath its frozen deserts may lie underground reservoirs, preserved organic molecules, or even microbial ecosystems waiting to be discovered. If an interstellar object carrying complex organic compounds were ever to interact with Mars, it could provide scientists with an unprecedented opportunity to study material that formed around another star. Some researchers even discussed the broader concept of panspermia, the hypothesis that the ingredients for life can travel naturally through space aboard comets and asteroids. While highly speculative, it raised an intriguing possibility. Could interstellar visitors help distribute the building blocks of life across the galaxy? As excitement grew, attention shifted once again to the James Webb Space Telescope. Its spectroscopic instruments analyzed the gases surrounding 3I, ATLAS with extraordinary precision, identifying molecules commonly found in cometary material while also searching for unexpected chemical signatures. Every new spectrum became another puzzle piece, helping astronomers understand where this visitor came from and how it had evolved during its journey between the stars. Yet even with Webb's unmatched capabilities, many questions remained unanswered. Silence from major space agencies only fueled public curiosity. Routine updates became less frequent, allowing rumors to spread even faster. Online communities began constructing elaborate theories involving secret observations, hidden discoveries, and classified reports. None of these claims were supported by evidence, but they captured the imagination of millions. Then another fascinating idea emerged. Instead of examining the object itself, some analysts focused on its motion. Could the trajectory contain information? Using publicly available orbital data, enthusiasts converted positional coordinates, velocities, and timing intervals into mathematical sequences. Predictably, they discovered repeating numerical patterns. Some interpreted these as nothing more than natural orbital mechanics. Others believed they resembled coded messages. Most scientists remained unconvinced. The universe is filled with repeating mathematical relationships. Planets, moons, comets, and galaxies all follow predictable physical laws capable of producing remarkable patterns without requiring intelligence. Still, the debate continued. As September approached, another coincidence attracted attention. The projected path of 3I, ATLAS appeared to pass above regions of Mars known for unusual geological features, including vast volcanic plains and ancient lava fields. Researchers revisited decades of orbital imagery, comparing crater distributions, mineral deposits, and tectonic structures in hopes of learning more about the planet's hidden history. Some noticed geometric-looking formations. Others pointed out that natural erosion and lighting conditions often create illusions of artificial structures. The conversation quickly shifted from astronomy to archaeology, then from archaeology to the possibility of ancient civilizations beyond Earth. While no evidence supported such extraordinary conclusions, the coincidence kept public interest growing. Then came perhaps the strangest claim of all. Several independent observers suggested they could detect a faint secondary shadow trailing behind 3I, Atlas. Some proposed it might be debris. Others imagined an unseen companion object. More cautious astronomers argued that image processing artifacts and optical limitations offered a far more likely explanation. Even so, the mystery deepened. People began asking whether the object itself was the main event, or merely the first thing we had noticed. As weeks passed, discussions expanded beyond physics. Researchers studying human perception became interested in how repeating astronomical signals influence the brain. While there is no evidence that 3I, ATLAS affects human consciousness, the idea inspired numerous speculative discussions connecting rhythmic natural phenomena with patterns found in neuroscience, mathematics, and information theory. The more people searched for meaning, the more connections they believed they found. Ancient monuments were compared with planetary alignments. Historic sky records were re-examined.